Okay, this is Rob from Trenchless Innovations, and we are looking at the tie-in to a sewer. We are in a sewer televising from a stack in a basement, and we're approximately 20 feet from that stack, and we're looking at the connection to the main sewer right there. And we're going to come back and take a look at this this sewer now. This is before we line the sewer. We've just rotted it recently, and we'll take a look at the condition of this pipe. There's a little bit of an offset there at that last joint before the on the tap, the connection to the main. You can see some root growth coming in at our 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock position there. Some more root growth and a little bit of a shift. And now we're also starting to see some cracking along the bottom portion, 5 o'clock and 3 o'clock position of this pipe. And also we have root growth growing in from a crack that is, or a fracture that is along the top, 12 o'clock position of the barrel of this pipe. You'll see that the pipe is cracked, and not only at the top but also at the bottom, which makes this pipe very weak. More cracking along the bottom. Still some more with some root growth coming in. Again, this section of pipe fractured both at the top and the bottom of the pipe. More roots growing in at that joint. There's a larger, what used to be a root ball at that location. Now this is the casted clay connection. We're now in 4-inch cast iron pipe. We were in 6-inch clay pipe before. You can see by the bottom, on the bottom of the pipe, the darker shaded areas. That's actually starting to channel out or pit very heavily. The cast iron is wearing out, and there's not much left of that pipe at the bottom. And now we're transitioning from cast iron into PVC pipe there.